Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Jitsi Meet on your iPhone step by step. Jitsi Meet is a free, open-source video conferencing app that lets you host and join secure online meetings from anywhere using your iPhone. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Tap the search tab at the bottom of the screen, type Jitsi Meet, and look for the official app published by the Jitsi team. Next, tap the app from the search results to open its App Store page. Tap the Get button, then confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password if prompted. Wait for the app to download and install. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch Jitsi Meet. You can immediately create a new meeting by entering a unique meeting name or join an existing meeting using a room name or invitation link. For the public Jitsi Meet service, you usually don't need to create an account. When prompted, allow Jitsi Meet to access your microphone and camera so you can participate in meetings with full audio and video. You can also allow notifications if you'd like to receive meeting alerts and invitations. Finally, test your camera and microphone before joining an important meeting to make sure everything is working correctly. Keeping the app updated through the App Store also helps you get the latest features, bug fixes, and security improvements. And that's it. You now know how to install Jitsi Meet on your iPhone and start joining or hosting secure video meetings in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.